Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix items from the market that you bought do not appear in your inventory on Taskbar Hero. So let's buy something here and I will show you what exactly we need to do here. So I will buy stone. So I just bought it. As you can see here in my inventory there is a stone, but if I go in game, there is no stone in my trade ship or inventory. So what you need to do here, how you can claim it, you need to press on the mailbox and then you need to wait until this button will basically be clickable. As you can see here, 1 second left, refresh, and then item should appear. If it's not appearing in the first time, you need to wait a few seconds again and then refresh until it appears. And then you can receive all or just claim that particular item. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like.